Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to change pages using icons and blank buttons. Icons or blank buttons, really. So, let's use icons for instance. Let's say this financial services icon, we want it to take us to the home page, for instance. So we'll come to action right here. So once we click on this, you will see this format image comes up. So we'll turn on the action, then the type, we'll call it page navigation. Page navigation, then destination is our home page, right? So that's just it. So you can say click to go to home page or something. Or let me just say go to home page. Okay. So all you just need to do is to come here and click on it. So it takes us to home page. Yeah. So on the home page now, we have our home page and we have our report. If we want to be able to click on this to take us to report, we need to bring in, since we don't have an icon here, so we need to insert a blank button. So we'll go to insert, buttons, blank. So bring that blank button here. So we'll just take it through this entire box just to cover the whole thing. Or we can even extend it out, so just to ensure it covers the whole thing. Then you can see these outlines here, we won't want it, so we'll off the outline. So it doesn't look that anything is on top now. So we'll come to action, we turn on the action, same process, turn on the action. Then this is called this page navigation. Destination, we go to loans is the first page. Then we can write something like go to report. So when you click on this, control click, it takes you to the first page of the report. So we can also go across the first, the second page and all of that with blank buttons. So let's go to buttons, blank. Let's bring this button. Let's bring this to this our first page, this loans. So let's bring it to the second page. So just cover it up to the second page. So I take off the icon, I turn on the action. Just call this page navigation. This should go to transactions, which is the second page. So I can type here, go to transactions. So just by hovering on top of it, you'll see where it goes to. So I think I remove this outline, and no, take the outline off. So if you just come here, you see go to transactions. Then when you click on it, it takes you to transactions, right? So I can't get back from here except I put the page navigator here also. So I can just go and copy this, come to transactions, paste it here. So I move this up here a bit, just adjust. So for this, action is turned on, but this time the page navigation goes to the first page, which is loans, right? So for the tooltip, we say go to loans, call it go to loans. So when you come here, it tells you to go to loans. Then we can also duplicate this and put it here. So it depends on you. You can either put your home page here or just place it here. Let's put the home page here. Action, page navigation, destination, you go to home page. So here you go to home page. So I just use this icon on the loans slide just to tell you that it's possible to also use icon for page navigation. So let me interact with this report. So here I'm in transactions. So when I click on this, go to loans, come to loans. When I click on the home page here, I go to the home page. When I click on the report, I come back to loans. But when I click on transactions right here, I go to transactions. And when I click on home page here, I go directly to the home page. Right. So click on report. So this is how page navigation works. Instead of using these tabs down here, you can use this page navigators. It's particularly useful when you publish your report to Power BI service and you're showing in full screen. It's particularly very useful to use page navigators. So that'll be all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.